to our One Paella channel. I'm Jay, and today we're cooking the Pork and Artichoke Paella. The ingredients for the Pork and Artichoke Paella are Paella rice, onion and garlic, chopped tomatoes, pork, artichoke, the paella spices, paprika, paella mix, and saffron. So, let's start making this pork and artichoke paella. First, let's cook the pork. iWantPaella.eu, where not only we have a paella blog, but we also sell paella pans, paella burners, spices, beer, wine, and much more. So don't miss out and come visit us at iWantPaella.eu. If you like this video and videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with all your friends. Let's add the onion and the garlic. Let's add our chopped tomatoes. Let's add an envelope of Saffron Threads, available at a store iWantPaella.eu. There you go. Saffron Threads. Let's add half a teaspoon of paprika. That's a bit on top. And let's add half an envelope of paella mix, available at a store iWantPaella.eu. Okay, now we're gonna mix that up.
Jamendo.com.
Let's add 300 grams of paella rice, because we're making 3 portions. We're gonna add 900 milliliters of ham stock, and we're gonna turn our paella burner up to 100%.
Jamendo.com.
Let's add a bit of salt. Another little shake. Let's try the rice for the first time with a clean spoon. Here, for instance. Okay, that rice is around 50%, so we still have a long way to go. It's a good time to add our artichokes. Gonna add the rest of the stock. And let's keep adding our artichokes. Let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon in a different place. Okay guys, that rice is around 65%, so we still have a bit to go. We're gonna leave it for another 5 minutes and we're gonna check again. Let's try the rice for the third time with a clean spoon in a different place. Here, for instance.
Jamendo.com.
Okay guys, our rice is around 80%. We're gonna leave it for another 2-3 minutes and then we're gonna bring it to our kitchen counter. Okay guys, 2-3 minutes have passed. I'm gonna turn the paella burner off. Like that. And we're gonna bring it to our kitchen counter to rest for 5 minutes. Okay guys, here we have our pork and artichoke paella. That looks fantastic. I'm gonna serve it on our plate now, so that you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Okay guys, here we have our portion of pork and artichoke paella. Bit of pork, bit of artichoke. Alright. There you have it. A proper portion of pork and artichoke paella. Okay guys, that's all we have for you today. Don't forget, you can visit us at iwantpaella.eu. Thank you and see you soon.